Hi everyone, welcome back. In this section, we are going to talk about how to reset component unique IDs in EasyEDA. First, let's clarify one thing. Component unique ID and reference design are not the same thing. During real PCB design, the situation comes up quite often. You might delete components in the schematic and then place them again, or import and synchronize the design multiple times. Over time, the component unique IDs can become messy. Number may be non-continuous, skip values, or look completely out of order. That's when the reset component unique ID function becomes very useful. Let's start with the schematic. In the schematic editor, go to the top menu and click Design. In the drop-down menu, find Reset Component Unique ID and click it. This option will regenerate clean and unified set of component unique IDs based on the current order of components in the schematic. One important thing to keep in mind, you should usually do this after you are finished making changes to the schematic. If you are still frequently adding or removing components, it's better to wait until the design is finalized and then reset the unique IDs once, instead of doing it repeatedly. Next, let's move on to the PCB editor. Again, in the top design menu, choose Reset Component Unique ID. After clicking it, the corresponding reference designer on the PCB will be updated as well. Here's a key point to remember. The correct workflow is always reset unique ID in schematic first, then synchronize to the PCB. If you only reset unique ID in the PCB and don't update the schematic, the next time you sync from the schematic to the PCB, the numbering may get overwritten or messed up again. After resetting the unique IDs, it's a good idea to do a quick check. For example, make sure similar components are numbered continuously. Silk screen labels aren't overlapping, and the reference designs are clear and easy to read. By using this feature properly, you can keep your component numbering clean and well organized, which makes checking, communication, and manufacturing much easier. Alright, that's for this section on resetting component unique IDs. See you in the next video.